Alright, so right here we do have the product. So when you guys first get it, it comes in this very nice little baggie. And they also give you guys 2 of them. And for both of them, it gives you guys the same exact thing. So they do provide you guys an instruction manual in terms of how to use it and the benefit of using it. And they also provide you guys this option if you guys want to use this instead of the stick-on option, which is basically the red tape right here. But let me actually show you guys how to install it first. So first thing I'm going to do is to get some alcohol wipes or something to wipe it down. Once you guys do that, you have to measure how long you guys need. So you have to measure the door and then cut however much you guys need. Then once you guys do that, you can stick onto the door. So let's do that first. So see right here, we do have a pretty big crack. So I do want to actually apply that on right here. That way it can prevent some of the noise from going in. So let's start applying it on to show you guys how to do it. So I'm gonna get some alcohol wipe first to wipe it down. Alright. Once you guys do that, you can get like a dry piece of paper and wipe it down. That way you guys know it's clean before you guys apply it. Alright, so that should be good. Now let's measure and then cut it to apply it on. So you basically want to go like this and just see how long you guys need. Once you guys got the amount, you guys want to cut it and just stick it on. So I'm cut it right here. Once you guys cut it, now you can stick it on. So you definitely want to take your time when you guys do stick it on. But you basically want to peel out the red sticker right here. Alright, let's stick it on. Alright, so once you guys apply it on, it should be good. So let's test it out. Alright, so when you hear that drag in the bottom, once you guys hear that drag, then that means it's set. If you guys don't hear that drag, then that means it's not fully covered in the bottom. But one thing I do want to let you guys know when you guys do put it on, there's still going to be a crack on the side. So if you guys want to, you can definitely buy like tape and stick it onto the side as well to make it even more tight. So once you guys install it on both sides, here is basically what the product looks like on this side. And if you guys open up, here is the other side. So I'm actually turn back on my dryer and close the door and show you guys what it sounds like on the other side. Alright, so you can definitely still hear a little bit of it, but it definitely minimizes a lot of noise. So it does sound a lot better compared to without it, because I can definitely hear the dryer and the washer from the inside before I actually put this on. But that is basically how you guys use the product. Very easy and very simple.